This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Corn was slightly lower yesterday in spite of sharp losses in the dollar as traders focused on the weather report that looked cooler with chances of rain. The crop conditions report showed the crop condition improving by 3% from the previous week to currently stand at a rating of 72% good to excellent. 82% of the crop is silking, with 22% in the dough stage. In the overnight trade, we have a continuation of the downside, with spot futures trading 3 cents lower as I record this. Soybeans were slightly stronger as the U.S. saw more soybean sales. Yesterday's export sales announcements included the sale of 250,000 metric tons to Mexico and 132,000 tons of soybeans to China. Gains were limited from an improved weather outlook as beans entered their pod filling stage in the next couple of weeks. The soybean crop is now rated as 72% good to excellent, with 76% blooming and 43% setting pods. In the overnight trade, we're responding to that real good crop rating and really currently have the spot futures trading down a dime. News of improving yields in Russia, covered with technical selling to push wheat prices sharply lower in yesterday's session. 81% of the winter wheat crop has now been harvested, while in the world of spring wheat, the crop is rated as 70% good to excellent. 97% of the spring wheat is now headed, and harvest is starting, with 1% of the crop reported as having been harvested thus far. In the overnight trade, we have Chicago unchanged, Kansas City is a penny higher, and Minneapolis is up 4 cents. Cotton futures posted a higher close yesterday, with December futures up 106 points to settle at 61.16. 49% of that cotton crop is rated as good to excellent, 84% is squaring, and 42% of the crop is setting bowls. In the overnight trade, spot futures are giving up a bit of yesterday's gains, trading 30 points lower as I record this. Livestock futures had a mixed session. We had October live cattle ending the day $1.27.5 lower, while September feeder cattle were $3.12.5 lower at the closing bell. Lean hog futures, on the other hand, were a bit stronger, with the October futures closing up 60 cents. Class 3 milk futures staged a rally yesterday, with the August futures finishing up 36 points, settling at 22.11. We're trading 3 points lower in the overnight trade. Finally, mixed meat cutout values were mixed on Monday, with choice box beef 78 cents higher, closing at 202.55, while select boxes were 50 cents lower as they settled at 190.13. Pork carcass cutout values were up 77 cents for the day, closing at $71.30 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.